Alright, welcome Python Warriors. I'm just kicking out this quick video to give you an introduction to your project. It will be pretty simple and fast to do because we've already done most of the work in class together. Now here, you're going to be doing a very interesting activity, which is recreating one of IBM's initial commercial success products, which was called the Customer Information Control System. Now, like many things in IT, if you read the description produced by the marketing department, it seems very complicated, but once you actually build something like this by yourself, you'll understand it's quite simple. And the basic essence of this is to just create records and access them. And yeah, the real product has been developed for going on 40 years now, so it has sophisticated APIs and stuff. But basically, you're going to be building up your own version right now. And let's take a look at how you're going to do that. And it'll be pretty simple because we've already been practicing most of the skills for the past couple of weeks in class. So let's take a look at this now and see what we can see. So let's take a look now and see how your Cics system is going to work. So remember what we did in class. You were going to write a program which is going to parse over a file. Whoops, I guess that pen has seen better days. Let's try this again. So I'm going to give you a comma-separated value file, and it's going to contain lines of real estate data separated by some delimiter, such as a comma. And the fields now might be things like house price, type, style, number of bedrooms, and so on. So you're going to parse over the file, and each line you're going to create an object, which is going to be a record. And that's going to be created from a class, obviously, because that's how we create objects. And your object is going to have fields corresponding to the fields of your data input file, right? So you're going to make an object, and your object is going to have fields. And that's going to be an abstract data type because it's going to be a model of each record in your input file. And once you get all these objects, you're going to put them in another data structure. And how you do that is going to be up to you. I'll give you a few different options, and which one you want to go with will be kind of your design decision. And then you're going to have this data structure of records, and you're going to build a command parser. So it's going to interact through the command line. And yeah, you can do things with Python GUI and stuff. You can use graphical user interfaces, but I prefer to go with old school. I like to make things that look like the computers from the 1960s, like AS400 and VAX VMS and all that stuff. So that's what you're going to do. So with the command line, the user will issue commands, and then the commands might generate reports, such as the average selling price for detached houses, or different options there. So we're going to go over that in class. And then user will also have an option to print, meaning they can create a text file of their output. So that is going to be your project, and I think it'll be quite simple because we've already done all the individual little pieces. And in class, we'll work together and we'll sew them together, and you'll have till next week to get it handed in, but I don't think it'll be too hard. So anyway, that's your project. We're going to work on it in class on Thursday. See you then. Bye.
Wait. Nope, do not yet. You can't go until you smash that subscribe button, you hit that like button. You got to do it, okay? Or for other channels, it's totally cool. YouTube, they love those channels. They promote them all the time. For us, maybe they don't like exactly what we're saying. So head on over, make sure you subscribe, and never miss a video.